Hello everyone! In this video, we're diving into the cscart Vendor FAQ add-on. It allows the admin to create FAQs for vendors, helping them find answers to common queries. Less confusion, more productivity. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. Now, coming to the configuration of the add-on, first we need to enter the title. Then we have to fill in the filters that should be included, such as Start with Beginning or Start with End. For now, we are selecting Contents. Next, we need to enter the title of the view and the description for the view. We also have to fill in the footer title and the footer description. After that, we save the configuration. Once the configuration is done, we move to Marketing, Manage Vendor FAQ. From here, we can manage groups. We have to enter a name for the group and provide a description. After that, we can add the group. Once the group is added, we can create queries for that group. For each query, we need to enter a question and an answer. Then we must set the status, either active or disabled. For now, we're selecting active. Once done, we can see that the FAQ for the policy group has been created. From here, we can manage the group. We can edit or delete it if needed. After that, when the vendor navigates to their page, they will see a question mark icon labeled FAQ. All the FAQ groups will be visible to the vendor. They can view the articles, check the answers, or open specific articles for more details. If they cannot find the answer they're looking for, they can contact the administrator directly. That's all about the add-on. Thank you. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates.